how you doing? We're Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are going to be opening up the Final Fantasy Magic the Gathering set. The camera angle might be weird on the phone, but you know, it is what it is. See, this is a cheap one to have. Oh. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. And let's go open it. There's another booster box coming in next week from Amazon. Look, honey, your husbando. Got a Marlboro, Bard's Bow, Rook Turret, Earth Mission. Put the foil and gold separate as well. Ruby, Travelers, the Overworld, Albed, Scavengers, and Golf. What is that? Red Mage, Rapier, and From Father to Son. Side Quest, Card Collection, Earth Crystal, and Ashes Princess, and the Plains.
Or we want these on just one pile?
Yeah, because they'll all be all in the binder. Let's see here. Oh, elemental token. Token goes separate too. Oh, there we go. Fate of Suncrest, Mr. and Eldar, Hector Eyes.
What about lands?
Lands goes in there. Hey, look, honey, a fat chocobo.
A summon.
Yeah. You have a fat chocobo. Crossword Village, Scout, Snow Villager, Reach Horizon, Eject, Summoner, Grimoire. Oh, I got a nice tarot one. The original art. Ashley?
What about this?
That's uncommon.
So you want it in here?
No, rares and hollow foil in there.
God.
I'm gonna put Ruby in her bed now. Let's go, Ruby. No, come on, Ruby. Betty bedtime. It's your Betty bedtime. Come on, go. Go for that. Go. Go. Hold on, Emily's happy. Excited. Anything good?
Not really. We got a summon.
Olden?
Yep.
You another boyfriend?
We got a Cactar.
Yeah, not a jumbo cactar. We want a jumbo cactar. Combat patrol, infantry.
We got
sword.
Vivi.
Yay, Vivi. It goes in the rare.
These are. What about these?
These are rare too.
I found one in there. It's somewhere in there.
I'll go look for it. Fire Crystal and Queen of Bane.
You know, Vivi's even more rare than these. Look how rare Vivi is.
Yeah, but I don't think it's worth much though.
I bet it's Vivi.
Yeah.
I love Vivi.
Yeah, I was killing everyone with this card.
Thanks.
Yeah, that goes right there. I have a signed signature from the thing.
Oh, here, Lance.
Yep. so rare.
Ooh,
What?
Rufus.
Rufus, yeah. I have Rude and the other guy. There we go. That.
The Darkness Crystal.
You Reno and Rude, honey.
Yeah, I already got it.
Well, you don't like Reno and Rude?
I do.
There's only one that you found?
Yeah. Vance.
Blazing Bomb. Alright. Root shot, combat control.
Vance.
Yeah, and then Rufus Shinra, different art. Ignis.
Doesn't he die?
Yeah,
They all
die.
die. Of old age, right?
You know, they all die in the end when they fight against the last boss.
Well, that kind of sucks.
Zach and Token.
Oh, Noctis.
Yep.
Summon Titan.
Mm-hmm.
These are.
Entry. Triple kick. Adventures in. Phoenix down. Exile desire choose return target creature card with mana value 4 or less from your graveyard enter your tap. Exile target skeleton spirit and zombie. Genova.
Yeah. Gotcha.
Hey, Chocobo. This is actually a rare card. This is worth money.
Chocobo?
Yeah, that is $160. Construct. Earth Rescue Mission.
Ishgard, the Holy Sea. I've already seen that.
And Toad. Magic Stat. Oh, look, honey. Burt's Kazir.
That's the old art.
Yeah. Oh, look, Cerberus. We're gonna have to go in the closet and take everything out and reorganize everything. Now alone, Blazing Bomb, Fight On. Hey, Earth boobs are bigger on this one. Look, it's a little bit bigger. Ashley, her bitty's bigger.
So, here's your.
The Wind, we have water in this deck.
And shiny.
Shiva,
Yeah.
Elixir, Random Encounter, Truck, Sass, we got that. We have, I think this is an open boulder forest. We got that. Yeah.
Chocobo, I like that one.
Mm-hmm.
I like Chocobo. I want a Chocobo. Ah, alternate.
There you go. Cornered by Black, Consumed with Fever, Ice Flan, Corral, Call of the Mountain Chocobo, Surrogate, Vincent,
Who's
Limit
this?
Break.
I don't know Vanette.
I don't remember. Probably from 14. Delivery Moogle. Slide Catfish. Ooh, Zendikar. And we got Shiny Reno and Rune. Bird. Fight On, Glacier Green, Magic Damper, Cloud Bound Moogle, Ifrit, Iron Giant, World Map, Poo Poo, UFO, Black Waltz number 3, the Prime Vista, Fang Fearless ACL, Yuna, Hope for Spira. I got Albed and a shiny.
Summon Bahamut.
Goddamn.
Bahamut, you like having Bahamut.
Yeah. Another, oh, this is a signed one. Let's see here. Choco Ball, Adventures Den. Here we go, your lover, Seymour.
No, thank you.
Talia, the Great Sage. Magic of that. And Island. Land.
I don't know if you're gonna get your Cactor.
Well, the next booster box coming next week anyway, so. Goober, World Map, Hill Igus. Oh God, Ashley's boyfriend, Squall. Ether, Chocobo Comet, Diamond Weapon. I have a promo card of that. Well, 3 left. Now 2 left. Kumari, we got Kumari. Black Airship Crash, Retrieve the Vesper, Venture Airship, Laughing Mad, Dark Knight Greatsword, Falcon Area Unit,
The Wind Crystal.
Lion's Heart, CL the Dark Knight, Orange Inspiration. Oh, I have the last pack. Anything good? What's that? What is it? Gabuzar? Oh, that's the villain. Scorpius Sentinel, Summon Chocobo and Mog, Item Sheet, Marlboro, Bards, Stuck in Summoner's Sanctum, Grand Phase, Uplok, Fire Magic, Snow Villager, Summoner's Mist, a different arc for Chocobo and Mog. Oh,
It has a back.
yeah, Sephiroth. It is transformed. Oh, forget that. The Wasteland and the Hero. Let's open this.
Yeah.
What's that? Oh, we have 2 different types of Sephiroth now. I will put this over here.
I guess I open it. It opens from the side, right?
Yeah. Summon Leviathan. Foil that, token, and you like this art, don't you?
That was a sad, sad moment.
Rune, Karn, Anima. We're not going to play the standard version of this deck.
I know these are standards.
Yeah, we're just going to open them up. We have another box coming in. They were never open.
Do you want them in their boxes or no?
No, just throw it in.
But keep the boxes.
Yeah.
So these two are here.
Uh-huh. Got that. Thunder Magic. See, I got this guy. Got to follow him now. Lucas Stadium. The water crystal. There's supposed to be like 7 crystals, right?
I don't know.
There's that. And just remove all that later. And this is my commander. Anything good? Lightning?
Yep.
Trash. Doesn't come with a booster?
It does. It comes with it.
Oh, this is the promo booster.
Yeah.
Let's see here. Your favorite, honey, Professor Hojo and Waka. No Cactar. I'm kind of sad.
Do you know what color Cactor is supposed to be?
Huh?
Do you know what color?
It's green.
Well, it's definitely not in this guy.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our picture in Discord. We'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.